Hello and welcome to second edition of Sports Zion Sports Weekly. Past week had seen some dominant performances across the sports around the world. The Englishmen were back with a vengeance. After their loss in the first test, they came back strongly, winning the second test and leveling the series. England in their first innings posted a total of 469 on the back of centuries from Sibley and Stokes. West Indies just avoided follow-on and scored 287 in their first innings. Despite rain, England were determined to enforce a result and came with all guns blazing in their second innings. They set a target of 311 for West Indies. With a disciplined England attack led by Broad, West Indies never stood a chance and England won by 113 runs. Ben Stokes was awarded man of the match for his all-round performance. And finally, we have official news about IPL. Brijesh Patel, chairperson of IPL General Committee, confirmed that IPL will be held in UAE from September 19 to November 8. BCCI is awaiting for Indian government permission. Players might be traveling to UAE by mid of August. Big news coming from US Open. With already Roger Federer missing out on the rest of 2020, Novak and Rafa are also set to miss the US Open. Well, it's bad news for fans of top 3, but it's good for tennis in particular. This is a very good opportunity for young guns to get their hands on brass, which will boost their confidence, especially for the likes of Zverev and Thiem, who have previously beaten the bigs, but still didn't taste the Grand Slam success. And who knows, one Grand Slam win might open the 2021 season, and which we hate to say, it might end the dominance of Big 3. It's the last day of EPL 2020. Liverpool are champions with City in the second place, and the fight for third and fourth place is going down the wire. You ask, why are we obsessed with these spots? Because only top 4 will be in the race for the Champions League. Well, the scenario is Manchester United will secure a top 4 finish if they even draw with Leicester, whereas Chelsea need a single point and Leicester will only qualify if they beat United, and if they lose, they have an outside chance to qualify, and it will depend. Coming to the news from Italy, Juventus are just one win away from the Serie A title, but they have been shaky with just one win from 5 games, and Inter Milan have been breathing down the necks of the leaders. It's all about handling the pressure for the Serie A leaders. In 2013, Hamilton made a quick comment which was something like this: Vettel's dominance might not be good for F1. Well, we guess it's the other way around. Hamilton won his record 8th Hungarian Grand Prix. He led the race from pole to finish. Max Verstappen has come a miraculous second after he put in RB11 into barriers before the start of the race. Red Bull engineers raced against time to get his RB11 race ready, and it paid off. No surprises here, with Mercedes leading the pack with 121 points. Ferrari, whose cars have been lapped with Mercedes, have a lot to ponder upon. For more such amazing sports content, please like, share and subscribe to Sports Zion.